Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to turn off the sleep mode on Instagram. So let's start. First let's go to Instagram, and here on Instagram let's go to our profile, and here on our profile let's go to three lines on the right corner. Here just write on the search bar, let's write sleep, and then you will appear the sleep mode here. Just select it and you can activate it. You can start time, write the time it starts, and the end time. You can choose the days, Monday, Tuesday, I don't know, whatever you prefer, and then just save. When you save, the sleep mode will be activated on your Instagram. If you prefer to turn off, just click here on the symbol and you turn off the sleep mode without any problem. So in that way you can activate or deactivate the sleep mode on Instagram. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.